Hi, Justin Taylor here. Today I'm unboxing Speco Technology's new digital deterrent IP cameras. We will be covering what is included in the box as well as specific features and benefits. Let's get started. Before we begin, a special shout out to our marketing team for these brand new box designs. First, we're going to open the box, and on top, we have a quick start guide, an adhesive mounting guide, a CD with the manual, and a quick catalog. Opening the box further, we see our included junction box, which holds the necessary hardware for a smooth install. And now, let's take a look at the camera. This is our brand new digital deterrent camera in a sleek bullet housing and comes equipped with LED light and built-in speaker for both audio and visual deterrent. Let's go over the camera cabling. We have our RJ45 port, which includes a waterproof connector, our 12-volt DC, audio in, and alarm in and alarm out. Now let's set up your digital deterrent surveillance system. I'll first show you a quick and easy setup that will expedite the process for a standard digital deterrent setup complete with audio and visual deterrents. This will be done all through your recorder's interface. Let's get started. To set up digital deterrent on Analytic events, go to your menu, click Settings, go to AI Event, then click the AI Event option, select your digital deterrent camera, and then select one of the two analytic settings, which is either line crossing or intrusion. Make sure you enable the analytic event, create your line, and then click Apply. You will then go to trigger mode and then select IPC digital deterrent and IPC light to utilize the lights that are on the camera, and then click Apply. Next, go to digital deterrent, select the digital deterrent camera, and then select the pre-recorded message that you'd like to use, how many times it will repeat itself, and the volume. Once completed, click Apply, and then you're all set to go. And now for a more customizable approach, which involves going into the camera's web setup. To access the camera's web setup when it's directly connected to a recorder, you will need to log into the recorder's web interface. Open up a web browser, enter the IP address of the recorder, enter the login credentials, go to Settings, go to Edit Camera, locate your digital deterrent camera, and then click the gear icon. Next, enter the camera's login credentials and log in. First, let's import a custom audio clip into our camera. We'll go to Config, then Alarm, and then Audio Alarm. Click the drop-down and select Customize. Your custom audio file can be created using a service such as Audacity. Just be sure to follow the recommended parameters here. Click Choose File, select your audio file, give it a name, and then click Upload. Click the drop down again and click Customize to confirm your file has been successfully uploaded. Now we can configure the flash speed of the camera's lights as well as its duration. We'll go to Light Alarm, enter the flashing light time, and then select the flashing frequency, and then click OK. We offer slow, mid, and fast speeds to cater to your needs as seen here. To utilize two-way audio through your digital deterrent camera on the Speco Blue app, add your recorder to the Speco Blue app, focus on the digital deterrent camera, tap on the screen, tap the microphone icon, press and hold the microphone icon in the middle to send audio, release when done, and then click the X button to exit out. Now, let's see two-way audio in action. Excuse me, sir, this is a restricted entrance.
But I have a package for you.
Deliveries are made on the side of the building.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. To utilize Alert on Demand through your digital deterrent camera on the Speco Blue app, add your recorder to the app, focus on your digital deterrent camera, press the three dots below, press voice alarm, scroll through your alerts, and then tap one to send. And now let's see Alert on Demand in action.
Warning, you are under surveillance. Do not come any closer to the building. The authorities have been called.
And finally, we could set up an Analytic digital deterrent schedule. To do this, we'll go to Event, select the Analytic event that we want to set up a schedule for, go to Schedule, and then modify the weekdays as you please. You could either erase or fill in the hours. And then click Save. And finally, let's see what audio and visual deterrents can do. Once a person is detected, the digital deterrent solution is triggered, launching a barrage of red and blue flashing lights and emitting a customizable verbal warning. The rationale behind this response is twofold. First, the instant light and audio deterrence draws attention to the eye by key witnesses that may not have been previously paying attention. Also, the red and blue flashing lights mimic that of a law enforcement vehicle, startling the subject and ultimately causing them to rethink committing the crime. This should halt the perpetrator in their tracks while recording the event, allowing you to forward said recordings to the authorities. It's that easy.
Warning, you are not subscribed to this channel.
Well, you heard the camera. Subscribe now and don't forget to like and comment if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Speco.